Hi everyone. Well, today's the day. We're headed to the Florida Keys with our camper in tow and getting everybody loaded up. So sit back and stay tuned.
He's scootering across the USA from near and far and day to day. He's scootering across the USA. He shows you the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler. The accessible traveler. He's the accessible traveler. He travels the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Hey everyone, we have the camper all packed up and we are starting our epic road trip to the Florida Keys. Today's stop will be in Palmetto, Florida, with a 2-night stay at Fisherman's Cove RV Resort and a visit with our dear friends Lisa, Keith, and Joey from It's Joey's World on YouTube. Check out their channel. We have a link in the description.
And see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scared.
Now we're ready for the next phase of our journey to the Florida Keys. Today we will continue down the Gulf Coast, then cut east, traveling through the world-famous Alligator Alley.
Ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. 'Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
Well, Susie decided to stop at a rest area. She needed to go to the bathroom and it was nice to stretch out. We are now in Everglades National Park. It's actually beautiful. This rest area that's here in the middle of the Everglades is absolutely beautiful. There's Susie and Charlie over there. It's a little overcast today. We were going to stop at Big Bend Boardwalk, but it was raining so hard we just bypassed it and thought maybe on the way back up, if we come this way, that we'll hit it and show you guys. So stay tuned. We have a lot more video for you.
You are like me, and I am like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
I just wanted to get the road.
How's my punky doing?
Say hi. Say hi.
Oh, hi. I thought you were talking to Charlie.
Oh, Charlie's back here too. Hey, Charlie. What doing? Huh? You ready to have
I'm
fun?
tired of riding.
Yeah, he is. You ready to go on an adventure? What? Close up. What? Good boy. He's such a good boy. We finally arrived to our home for the next few days, Sun Outdoors RV Resort in Islamorada. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In our next video, Mike will give a scooter tour of this beautiful resort before we head south for a day to explore Key West.